We have finished Jenny's kitchen, but there are so many different ways that she could have gone. And the reason she could have gone so many different ways is because she stuck with a neutral palette. As promised, we are bringing you some different ways to decorate this kitchen. Jenny has it the way she likes it. Totally love it. She loves it. That's the most important thing. So I'm going to show you some other ways that this could have been done, and it's going to happen just like that. What did I do? I put a large bowl here on the island. This can be used for a lot of things. You can put vegetables in here, onions, potatoes, fruits if you'd like. But you can also decorate it on the holidays. I will take fake grass that you put in Easter baskets, and then I'll put eggs on top of it, maybe a little wooden bunny. At Christmas, I'll put those cheap red and gold Christmas balls you can get at big box stores or at drugstores, and I'll just fill this up with that, just to give a little bit of bling. But this can be used for just about anything, and it can be left empty if you want, or mail can go in here. Over here, a little bit of greenery. I guess homespun might be the word, I'm not sure, but it's something a little bit more casual. You can also put flameless candles in here, like really big candles to add a little bit of interest and maybe a little bit of light. Over here, I like to put fruits in here that have a really pretty color, and I love this color green. Here is a take on an oil painting, but it's not, it's really just a print. Over here on the bar, added the wooden tray that can be used to carry these things around if you're serving. Another version of the oil painting, and then an ice bucket made out of wicker. Just something to warm it up just a little bit. So that's look number one. This is option number two. This is very simple. It's all creamware. There's not a lot going on in here, but there is a little bit of texture. You've got the creamware up here in the cabinets, and everything is just very serene. It doesn't really stand out that much. We have the green apples right here in the big bowl. That bowl can also be treated as a decoration at certain points throughout the year. I like to look at inexpensive ways to acknowledge a holiday without having to just pull out tubs and tubs of things. So this is a great way to do that. I was really simple with the bar this time. No paintings, just a very simple flat basket the barware is on. Simple, very monochromatic, and I think it looks great. Okay, option three. A lot of people love a blue and white kitchen. So I did one option with blue and white transferware. Kept it kind of simple. We have to be really careful not to clutter. That's a problem that I have, is trying to put too much on a counter. So I really tried to pull back a little bit and just have a few pieces out here just to reference the blue. It's good to have a big piece in a corner like this to help fill it up. Did the apples again on this transferware cake plate. I have a transferware lamp underneath the counter. It's always good to have a lamp to warm things up a little bit. Have a platter over there. This could also be full of transferware. I could have put it up here as well. I didn't, really, just to keep things more simple. But if you had plates or cups or anything that you wanted to put up there, this could be a beautiful showcase for that. Here's the wine area. Very simple. I just put this little pitcher right here to fill the space. One piece of transferware. I don't have the decanter out here. Some people do not like to have liquor items out, and I understand that. I love to decorate with them, but tried to be careful not to display too much of that. So I just left it very simple here. Not too much. It's not a big space, so you don't have to put too much there. One more thing. Behind the stove, you can find something really cool to go behind your stove to give it a little bit of pop. Maybe you've got a lot of white and you want to break it up a little bit. You can use a large cutting board. There are a lot of options. If you're not much of a cook, you probably could do a painting. I'm seeing these days a lot of people putting paintings behind here. I cook a lot, I fry a lot, so I don't want anything splattering on something precious. This, a wooden bowl, those aren't precious. So think about putting something behind your stove too. So one little thing, I love this brass platter. I love that Jenny decided to get this. In the holidays, and maybe when she's entertaining, I came up with an idea for using this for more than just a little decorative platter. So maybe at Christmas, or just when you're having people over, you can do this I have several more this size. You can fill the plate up with this. You can put some greenery in here. If it's Christmas, you can put some berries and greenery. You can put some oranges in there, maybe some pine. But you can do some really cool things like little red hearts. You can do some really fun things with this in a wooden bowl, this on a ceramic platter, or you can actually have a big cutting board, stick these on the cutting board, and then put some charcuterie on there. These can be used for just about anything. Think about what you have and how you can make it into something special for a holiday or for a party. These I love, and I love this tray. This didn't take very long to go through and try all these different things. You can do that too to get the look that you want. So stay tuned. We have a lot more for you.